A lot of Chinese characters are originally pictures. Here are some interesting examples to show you the evolution of characters. So as you can see, this picture apparently is mountain, and one of the very first images is like this. So you can pretty much tell that means hill or mountain. And nowadays we change it, gradually into the more squarish or boxish character, but you can maybe still be able to see, oh, that looks like 3 different hills there. So that's shan, still means mountain. Similarly, you see this one, that's a sun, and draw a circle, and then gradually becomes a square kind of character, and that is zhi. So since we already learned this character, right, that's the sun, zhi, and you may be able to guess what this could mean. Yeah, that's a moon, right? Yue. And when we put a sun and the moon together, it means bright. Makes sense, right? Sun and moon together. And nowadays, it becomes to be more squarish, but still the sun plus the moon, meaning bright. Ming. So that shows us some characters are combination of pictures. Sun plus moon, combination pictures. And the meaning is also kind of a combination. Now, we have a different character. A person leaning against a tree. So he and she are clearly not working in the field. So a person next to a tree is xiu, meaning rest. This character is actually my favorite. And as you can see, left, this one is 女, meaning female, woman, or mother in this case. And we have the right side. Still, you can see, looks like a person, but with a big head. That's a baby. So when you have a mother and a baby, it is 好, meaning good. Right? When you have mom and baby together, life is good. Thanks for watching. Bye. Do you like our video? Did you learn anything fun?
Be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest video updates, and be sure to leave your comments below. If you feel like you've learned something from this video, one of the best ways to practice is to go into the Mango course to form new sentences and new thoughts. Click the link on your screen to try it out.